Hello everyone, this is Hassan from HTFX, and I would like to talk about Canadian dollar, Japanese yen, and I wanna show you a couple of tricks, okay? Now, um, from the Elliott perspective, which is what I will do first, okay? Now, we have this triangle that broken higher. It probably done something like a zigzag here, okay? So it looks like we have some sort of a zigzag here, okay? And a C wave. Okay, and after this zigzag, this zigzag looks like it is a simple correction. Why? Well, because in the due time, which is the time taking for wave C to form, the price has actually come to the B and broken this. So it means that this ABC is actually has done finished something here. Okay. So first of all, this is what we should know. So if that finished something here, there was something finished here as well, or it was the continuation of something that we don't know about. So I cannot immediately assume that this is something finished here, but there is also a chance that maybe it was um, this can be an X wave, and this can be, for example, a double combination that ends with a zigzag. It can happen. Maybe we had a flat first, and then an X wave here, and then this sort of thing. So even though if you put here this, you should still also consider the other possibility as well. Now after this, what does the market look like it's doing? Well, it looks like we have another ABC. Looks like we have an A, we have a B, and then we have a C wave. Now after this ABC, what looks like we have an X wave, because the market doesn't confirm it as a simple correction. And after this, we have a triangle. What kind of a triangle? Well, we may have a wave A here, a wave B, a wave C, a wave D, and a wave E. Okay, so let's construct a triangle here. So that looks like a B2D trend line, and we can go for a C and E baseline. Okay, now that ABCX, ABCDE is the end of something here as well. Okay, so now that we have this and this, now what does this look like? Well, it looks like we may have a wave A somewhere ended somewhere around either here or here. It does look like a complex correction. I would rather put it here. Okay, and after this, it looks like we have either wave B here, okay, or here. Now, why would I think the wave B is not done here and here? Because look at this price action after this B wave. It looks like it is just a small retracement. Okay, this doesn't look like a C wave. Now the C wave has to be impulsive. Now look at this. I don't see an impulsive move here. Okay. Now because of this, I would rather think this uh, um, that the B wave is not a done, and whatever this is just a part of B wave. So for example, it can be something like on the lower degree, a wave A, or maybe even A here. Okay. So from this idea, you can immediately assume that our bearish view on the chart is continuing. So what else we should do? Well, we should look at this retracement and how much it did actually move. Okay, if that is the wave A, and this is the end of the small wave A, let's see the retracement level. Okay, so that's the retracement level, which comes to the 50%. And it doesn't go 618. It means that this move here is likely to be a zigzag move, okay? And because this is a zigzag move, this move here, sorry, not this one, okay, but this one. This move here, what it is nothing but a B wave, okay? So when this B wave will be completed, which maybe it already has here, and we are making some type of a terminal move, which can happen to complete as the B wave. Okay, so until this move is ended, we cannot look for the C wave on this degree. Okay, now if this is a wave A and this B is coming down even almost 100, well, it's not done yet, but it's coming almost 100%. It means that this is a flat with a strong B wave move, and the C wave cannot start until this small thing has actually finished. Now, so from the monthly chart, this is the Elliott perspective. And let's do something else. Now, let's go actually to the monthly chart and let's try to look at what's going on here as well, okay? Well, this what I am about to do has nothing to do with Elliott, by the way. Now look at this. Now from the monthly perspective, until that we have close above this trend line, the main focus is still bearish, and I'm sure, like everyone else, you can see this head and shoulders pattern. This is the left shoulder, this is the right shoulder, this is the head, this is the right shoulder. Now when this neckline breaks down, it means that this C wave has already started. Okay, so then I will think, this neckline will break, and that this C wave out of this degree will start. Then I will say this B wave is done and we are on the C wave. Now, if this is true with this moves together, then it just gives me some type of clue as what's going on. On the other hand, there is of course, there are three different types of zigzags. Okay, the first zigzag is what it's called a truncated zigzag. Now, on a truncated zigzag, the C wave, the length of C wave, is less than 618% of wave A. So, what I would like to do is, whenever this B wave is done, I would like to measure the length of C wave. If this fails and we will go up like this, then I will try to assume that maybe this move right here was a truncated zigzag, and in that case I may change my view and I will say, okay, the B wave is done and we will go for the C wave. Okay, so this is why what you should think should be like this. Now, on the other hand, unless this move is broken and probably retested, the move still bearish. Okay, this pattern will be still bearish. Okay, now and would I like to say something else? Well, no, I don't want to keep this video so long, but you can always do this kind of stuff to further improve your analysis. Okay, so thank you so much, and if you have any questions, do not hesitate to ask me. See you on the next one.